We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic in Vivid Black. These bikes have the beautiful chrome spokes on the wheels. The 114 cubic inch engine. That really nice detailing of the chrome exhaust against the black. We also have rider floorboards and these hard-mounted leather locking bags. They're structured and they're really secure. It's a really nice touch that they've been doing with the leather. I also like the new studs they've been putting on the Heritage bikes as well. And this bike is also equipped with ABS. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check out this bike.